Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong November 21. And for today, we are going to continue our series of harnessing the power of words. This Thursday, we will be talking about how to speak the truth in love. Makikita natin ito sa Ephesians chapter 4 verse 15 na nagsasabing, "Rather, speaking the truth in love, we are to grow up in every way into Him who is the head, into Christ." Sa Tagalog, sa halip, manatili tayo sa katotohanan ng may pag-ibig upang sa lahat ng bagay ay maging katulad tayo ni Kristo na siyang ulo ng iglesia. So, sinasabi po rito na nararapat lang na manatili tayo sa katotohanan ng may pag-ibig. Because truth hurts when it pierces into us. Yung katotohanan po, most of the time, hindi kayang tanggapin ng mga tao. Or rather, hindi nila kaya itong tanggapin smoothly. Dahil ang katotohanan ay minsan talagang nakakasakit. But the truth sets us free from the chains of lies. Dahil most of the time, we believe lies because we want to feel otherwise. Because truth hurts us. Therefore, we believe in this delusion ng puro kasinungalingan. Dahil ito yung siyang nagpapasaya sa atin. But that joy is only temporary. In fact, it's fake joy, no? Because it chains us into this delusional state na kung saan hindi natin nakikita yung totoo. But truth keeps true love apart from false love. Dahil po sa pagiging totoo, nadidiscern natin kung ano yung tunay na pagmamahal. So speak the truth in love. Speak the truth with humility. And speak the truth with integrity. Dahil kapag ginawa po natin itong tatlong to, we will not be chained up by those lies that made us believe otherwise. Magigising tayo sa nararapat sa way ni Christ. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.